can be fun, but it can also be dangerous. The most common medical problem that fishermen encounter is an impaled fishhook. In this segment, I'll show you the 2 best ways to remove a fishhook. This poor fellow has a fishhook caught in his arm. Let me demonstrate the snap and pull method for removing a fishhook.
For the snap and pull technique of removing a fishhook, the first step is to stabilize the hook while a fishing line is tied to the big curve in the hook. This will be used later to snap and pull the hook out of the skin. The method by which the hook is removed is to place downward pressure on the curve of the hook to disengage the barb, and then to pull in a sudden snapping motion to disengage the hook from the skin. Always remember to wear eye protection, some sort of eyeglasses.
Ooh, it hurts to look at this one. This fish hook is almost too big to snap out, so we'll have to push it through, cut off the barb, and then slide the hook back out.
Sometimes a hook will be pretty large and not amenable to the snap and pull technique. In that case, you want to be able to push the hook and the barb through the skin, bring it out, and be able to cut off the barb and then slide the hook back out of the skin. In this example, you can see that the hook is quite large, the skin is fairly tough, and it's difficult to push it through the skin. I'm making an attempt now to push this hook through, and it's not going very easily. So in that case, I need to use pliers, or if you have a fishing clamp, something to grab onto the hook to be able to get a purchase on it, and then taking care not to put the tip of the hook into my own finger, I need to push this through the skin. Grabbing onto the shaft of the hook, I'm now pushing it through the skin. Sometimes that happens with an audible pop, and it might sting a little bit, but now I've got the barb exposed on the outside of the skin. So the next step is to take pliers with a cutting tool and to grab underneath the barb and cut off the tip of the hook. You should be very careful at the time that you cut off the barb to be looking in a different direction or to wear safety glasses, because when the barb pops off, it can fly out of the pliers and you don't want it to go into your eye. Once the barb is cut off, the hook easily slides back out of the skin. Once the hook is out of the skin by any technique, wash the skin carefully with soap and water and rinse it really well to make sure that all foreign material is out of the holes.
That's all for this segment. Check out healthline.com for more information on all your health needs and my blog, Medicine for the Outdoors.